Hello, good afternoon to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back again to this channel after job. So in this video, I will jump into a job openings from a Caribbean region, and there are some urgent requirements from Caribbean regions. So if you want to apply, then you can watch this video till the end, and let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, what is the requirements to apply for this job. All the details I can share with you in this video. So let's start. This is a pre-requirement for Caribbean region and required for maintenance. So pre-requirement position available: heavy equipment machines, ITI in automobile plus 5 years of experience requirement. And second, plumber. For this position, you should have the ITI certifications and minimum 5 years of experience in the relevant field. And third, auto painters. For these positions, you should have minimum 5 years of experience as a auto painting. Number four, kitchen appliance machine. For this position, you should have minimum 5 years of experience in maintenance of commercial and household appliances, stove, refrigerator, and dishwashers, etc. Number five, plumbing supervisor. Foreman must have knowledge in maintenance of plumbing system, reading, drawing, monitoring, and repairing of water plant. Must have four-wheeler driving license. Six, locksmith. For these positions, you should have experience in installing, repairing, opening a variety of locking system of doors, that's safe. And so there are six types of job positions are available from this country. So this is the official email ID through which you can apply. You can make it down or note it down from the descriptions below this video, and you can also note it down from right here, and you can apply as soon as possible. So if you want to apply, first of all you need to know that you should have the proper experience for which position you want to apply. If you have the proper experience and qualifications, then you can visit to the office which is in Mumbai, India, and after you visit to the office, you can verify about the job openings and you can apply on the spot. So my sincere request, it's a better options. You can visit to the in the office address, and it will be better to get all updates regarding this job openings, and it's best options to apply in the office. So I can suggest you. Still, I am requesting you, if you are unable to visit the office, you can directly apply by this official email ID. So first of all, you need to know there are several types of job openings are available here, and this is a urgent and pre-requirements. That means once you will be select, then you can get a pre-requirements, means pre-visa process. So first of all, you need to know there are six types of job positions: heavy equipment machines, mechanics and plumbers, auto painters, kitchen painters, plumbing supervisors, locksmith. So for these positions, you should have the proper certifications and requirement, which is the basic requirements as per mentioned right here. If you are fulfilling these requirements, then you can apply by this official email ID. After that, you can visit to the office directly to apply for this job. So first of all, I would like to request you, please share this information to the candidates searching for abroad job and they want to move abroad with his job. So after you sharing this information, suggest to collect this official address and visit to the office and directly apply in the office address. If you are unable to visit to the office, you can apply through this official email ID. So I hope you share this information as much as possible. And if you are really eligible for any of these positions, you can apply if you have a dream to move abroad. And my sincere request, please read each and every information from this channel and try to apply as soon as possible. All the informations are available in the descriptions below this video. Go to the descriptions, collect all these informations regarding official email ID, official address, requirements, all the details. Then read it again properly. If you are really eligible or any of your friends and relatives are eligible and want to move abroad, then suggest to apply immediately so that your interview will be scheduled and you can attend the interview in this office. So I hope you understand all the things what I'm sharing with you right now. Still, if you have any questions, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. And of course, I will be come in the next video with a recent job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay